Check, 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 check. Oh, it's working. Okay. If you're watching this, all right, you need a little help with annotating the multiple choice questions. Okay, so I'm just going to go over this very, very briefly. Sorry, my nose is itchy. Okay. So let's look at the screen. This is very simple. I'm going to try this pen feature here and see if it works. Okay. But I want you to notice a couple of things. All right. So let's look at question 1. This is from passage A. Okay. Question 1. Now, right in the first question, it says the first 3 paragraphs. Okay. Notice it's not great. I'm just going to breeze through all of these questions. Number 2, it says lines 17 through 20. Number 3, it says lines 30 through 34. Number 4, it has a quote. And then I'm not going to do the whole quote because this will take forever because I'm using a Chromebook. Line 35. So it tells you where these things are. Okay? That's first. Now, oh, are you kidding me? It doesn't stick. How stupid is that? Okay, so let's get rid of these things because apparently they travel with us and we don't want them to travel with us. Okay, but right in those questions, these are the types of questions that I'm talking about where they reference the line numbers in the question. Okay, not in the answers, but in the question. So again, the first one, let's go back to this. Okay, it says I just want to make sure I'm back to no. Give me my arrow right now. Give me my arrow. Focus mouse. Okay, what the heck is going on with this thing? This is so weird. Ah, there we go. Okay, this is kind of interesting. We'll see if it works. I don't really like you right now. Why are you doing a high cursor when not moved? Okay, let's try this. All right, so let's see if this works. So no, what? Why is that still there? Why? Get rid of that. There we go. Okay, we're back. All right, so the first 3 paragraphs serve to introduce. So for question 1, I am going to the first 3 paragraphs, and here's what I'm going to do. Whoa, went too far. Okay, so I'm going to go to the first 3 paragraphs of passage 1, which are these 3 paragraphs. So it basically goes from line 1 to line 15. So now I'm going to annotate. So this is what I'm going to do. When we annotate the questions, this is it. I'm going to make a bracket because I don't need to highlight all of these lines. Okay. I'm going to bracket and then I'm just going to write the number 1 because it's question 1. And I am going to circle it. So this way I know. Boom. So I've just annotated. Okay. The multiple choice question. Let's do one more. Okay. You always do this on the left side when you're just annotating the questions. Now let me scroll down here if it allows me to. Okay, our thing comes with us. All right, just ignore that for right now. So let's just look at where question 2 tells us to go. Okay, question 2 says lines 17 through 20. Perfect for question 2. So let's go back. Our magic annotation stays with us. Nope, it's going to have to come with us. Ugh. Okay, so now I have to erase it because it's going to be in the way. So they gave us specific line numbers. Okay, for question 2, it's line 17 through 20. But again, our process does not change. Okay, and what I mean by that is this. Our process does not change. Where's line 17? Right here. It starts here. Okay, I'm going to start that bracket. I'm going to finish it down here for 20. Okay, and then I'm just going to label it question 2. Okay, and that's all you need to do when you're annotating for the multiple choice questions. The reason we do this is so that when you are scanning, when you are reading the text or having the text read to you, you need to focus on these parts. Okay, so you need to really focus on lines 1 through 15, the first 3 paragraphs, because the first question references those 3 paragraphs. So you want to make sure that you are giving your unending attention to the parts of this text that the questions refer to. You should have your full attention for the entire text, but you really need to focus in and figure out what's going on in those parts of the text. Okay, that's all there is to it. What you could do now, since you've watched this video, is go up to me live, not on the video, because that would be weird if you try to talk to me in the video. Okay, you have to go up to me live. All right, ask me for a copy of a Regents exam. I will give you one, and you could practice this if you feel that this is something you need to practice. If you understand and you want to move on to a different part of review, that is fine. Go right ahead. All right, good luck.